I was riding through the east, but I made my way west. Dozing off while I'm driving, I shouldn't even send a text. Damn near hit a sign. Opened up my eyes and I'm swerving left and right. Took a Tylenol, yeah, I can't go to sleep. I don't even know why I started the video like that. I'm tripping, bro. But what's good with y'all? We back with another one. Right now, we got something a little different. We're not doing a music video tonight. Well, we are going to react to a song tonight, yeah. But right now, we not reacting to a song. Right here, we got a video. I know y'all be... Let me take this back. We got another one today, man. Y'all know, look, man. All right. I know y'all be messing with the Cali stuff, that pretty much anything Cali, the music reactions, the fights, all of that stuff, you know, wars and stuff, you know what I'm saying? All of that. So I just typed in LA. I'm not gonna lie to y'all what I typed in. Let me see. I probably typed in like, oh yep, right here, LA gang fights, LA Crips pull ups on ops, just because the other video I did was the Bloods pulling up on Crips. So y'all really rocked with that video. So we're gonna check this one out. Hopefully it's a cold one though, a good one though, at least I should say. Let's get it.
Man, I'm telling you, what is wrong with you guys? We Crips. Hey, calm down, little.
Trey Crips versus Hoover Crip. Well, Trey Crip versus Hoover Crip. Calm down, cousin.
Tell me, what is wrong with you guys? We Crips. Hey, calm down, loco.
But I'm telling you.
Calm down, loco.
I'm telling you.
I'm put your hand down, cousin.
Hey, fuck that.
Cuz, calm down. I'm 42, cousin.
He was cool. Like the big dude, he was cool. He's like, bro, well, not like, he was like, calm down, man. Like, we're gonna get this figured out, situated. Like, not on some, bro, we gonna figure it out type. Like, it's on some, nigga, we gonna figure this out. But if we got a problem, nigga, it can be a problem. It ain't no problem with that one. And he pushed him with whatever the last thing he said. He was like,
down, loco.
But I'm telling you.
Calm down, loco.
I'm telling you.
I'm put your hand down, cousin.
Hey, fuck that.
Cuz, calm down. I'm 42, cousin.
I want you to
Calm down, loco.
Nigga, I'm
Cuz, it's been cool, cousin. It's all good.
Before it even happened, like, this is my first time seeing it, so I don't know who's about to get hit, who's about to get slept, or what kind of, they just gonna be duking it out. But yeah, before we even, but don't even cheat, y'all. Y'all let me know who y'all think, you know what I'm saying, won the little squabble, bro, the little store squabble. I'm gonna go ahead and say big dude. I'm gonna go ahead and say yellow shirt, because the dude right here that's not trying to calm down, he loud with it. You know, the loudest ones in the room, you know what I'm saying? He loud with it. He don't really care. Like, nigga, we can get down, this whatever. Like, no, we can't. Like, nigga, I'm trying to get down with something. That's what he on. He just on something. Let's go. Y'all just tell me who y'all. I'm gonna say yellow shirt.
Calm down. It's gangster. It's Trey's, cuz. It's Trey's.
Nah.
And I fuck with Hoover. Cuz, calm. It's Trey's, cuz. It's Trey's.
Nah.
And I fuck with Hoover.
Damn, that nigga karate chop that shit, bro.
Cuz, calm down.
What you mean?
Cuz, calm down.
Let's peep the fit though real quick. Damn, this is like, he an old head, but he dressing like just, you know, some like 29-year-old, some like big nigga, just big nigga fit. He got the slides on with the black mid-top socks, the white cargos, and the little button shirt. You know, there's little shirts with the little pocket right here, little pocket shirt. And then New York hat to the back, cocked a little bit to the left, you know what I'm saying, with the little chain on. So I don't know, bro. I feel like he gonna throw a mean one with his left one. That's what I feel like is about to happen, but I don't really know exactly. So let's see. I know y'all tired of like, nigga, just play the video. Let's see.
I'm telling you.
I'm telling you,
Man, no. I'm telling you. You ain't cause that shit. Man, I don't give a fuck about that.
Cuz, calm down, loco.
Man, nigga, you got me.
In the store with it. Cause they gonna just sit here and argue with each other like, well, damn, I just now noticed something. The video don't even say nothing about fighting the damn title, bro. So it mess around don't even be a fight right here. But I don't know. When I clicked on it, it was like trying to verify my age. We gonna see.
Hoover, nigga, real.
They said at the same time.
Hoover, nigga, Hoover, nigga.
They said nigga at the same time, but them niggas get a little bit close, ain't they?
Hoover, nigga.
Look, they both kind of. That was close, right? That was close, man.
I'm telling you, no, nigga, you ain't telling me shit.
It's a lot of wolfing right
You
now.
ain't telling me shit, cousin. You ain't telling me
This
shit.
nigga pants down, cuz.
Cousin, nigga, it's over.
Nigga, that was disrespectful as hell, bro. That nigga think your hat. What? Come on, bro. That's disrespectful.
Telling me shit. You ain't telling me cousin. Nigga, it's over.
Because if he didn't just take off after this, bro, then he ain't want to fight. So yellow shirt might be one of those big, you know what I'm saying, just scary looking. But we about to see what happened. I know I just paused.
You ain't telling me shit. You ain't telling me cousin. Nigga, it's over. Extra cousin.
Damn, that nigga flew back off of one little. Back. He didn't even do it or like he didn't even use full force. He just, oh yeah, you, all right, push his ass back. So that nigga, he almost lost it. Let's see what happens.
Me cousin. Nigga, it's over. Extra cousin. Cousin. Bang, yo. Nigga, you better.
Nigga, it's wolfing going on. What you mean, bro? Like, he didn't push him back. He was, nigga, I don't even know what he was doing back, but phone flipped out his pockets, and he gonna buck it. Like, nigga, none of them wanted to really fight right here. Like, it just escalated up slowly. But he did the little flinch, and then it looked like he was about to, so, we might be seeing a little squabble, man. Let's see it. Let's just get it.
I swear, nigga.
Hold on, let me take it back. I don't know that.
Extra cousin. Cousin. Bang, yo. Nigga, you better. Cousin.
They must be drunk or something.
I swear, nigga. Hoover, nigga. Hoover in here. You get this Smith cousin. Bang, yo. Hey, chill out.
Bro, none of them want to fight, bro. Like, none of them really want to fight, so. Like, bro, they done both did disrespectful stuff to where you can automatically, you got the rights to go ahead and take off on them. But, no, they like, they on some you hit first type stuff right now. I know somebody better get down before this video ends. Somebody.
Hey, it's real cousin. I'm telling you, cousin. Cousin. Hey, go get your cousin. It's real.
That's security.
No, it's real. It's fake you, nigga. Hey, it's trays right here, cuz.
Hey, he's talking like Rollo.
It's trays right here, nigga.
That's how Rollo.
Recognize my gangster, cousin.
Tell that nigga take
I
this
just want
shit
to
back
tell
to California, nigga.
Hey, nigga.
Tell that nigga
Hey,
take this shit
nigga,
back
it's
to
gangster,
California.
cuz. That's him, cousin. That's him. That's him. I'm trying not to go.
Allow me, nigga. I'm 42.
I'm 42.
I wouldn't give a fuck,
I wouldn't give a fuck,
It's Hoover, nigga.
It's trees, nigga. These trees, nigga. I'm repping. I'm repping Hoover, nigga.
Hey, man.
I rep this Hoover. I got love for Hoover, nigga. You going too far. You going too far.
Alright, there we go. There we go. We got a little squabble action, just a little bit. Let me take you back, man. I gotta see that one more time. I gotta see that one more time. When he did this, I thought he was about to, you know what I'm saying? Boy, hit him with a mean one, have him. Man, but all right, let's go. My fault.
You know, what's he gonna do?
Look at
Bro, hold on. We gonna set this straight real quick because I keep seeing more and more phones fly out of pockets, and I'm just thinking, where is these phones coming from? Because I know I done seen more than 5 times.
You know, what's he gonna do?
My fault. I'm looking at.
Lick his ass. It's more cracked in the 80s.
Shit. All right. I don't know if YouTubers, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm watching it on YouTube, so obviously it ain't too bad, but I hope they ain't. Damn. Shit. Let me take it back. Hey, should I take less? I'm not gonna take it back because I don't know what type of time YouTube gonna be on. I want to take it back, but I don't. They might be. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're not even paying attention. I'm just trying to see how he fell one more time, real quick. But it's whatever. Yeah, bro, let him pull his pants up, man.
Big boy, get up. Get your big ass up.
That nigga folded back like goddamn near felt that one, bro. That nigga. Slowly, too.
I seen more crack than the 80s. That nigga got more crack than the 80s out, man.
Bro, is you gonna get up and fix your pants and pull your shirt down or what? You just gonna keep saying that? Police coming.
Get up, you know my foot fucked up. You
That's why he ain't good.
Come on, nigga.
Because you holding up, bro.
I got to straighten your legs up, big man.
Hey, you hold up my foot, bitch.
That's what I'm telling you.
Hold up, bitch. I can lay down. Hold up, bitch.
He trying to help him get up.
Man, fuck that.
I'm just back there.
Bro,
You shouldn't even be fighting if you can't get up, bro. Knowing he be getting help to get up in the morning, like, bro, come on, bro, you can't be out here fighting if you got to help.
He good, right?
Damn, that's crazy. It ended just in time though, cause the damn camera about to cut off here in a couple seconds. So y'all mess with that, y'all want to see more, man, y'all let me know down below. Find me one, actually find me a pretty good one y'all want to see, bro. I'm just requesting. I got y'all. I like reacting to these and y'all like watching them. So yeah, man, let's get this 15 likes. I hit y'all with another one, man. Yeah, I'm gonna say 15 likes. I'm still gonna hit y'all with another one. I don't know when. I need y'all to help me find some videos, but do all that. Thanks for all the support. I'm out. I've been out here on the grind. I ain't wasting no time. Bullet, let the rollie shine. Mike and Mary's on my mind. She claimed me, but that ain't mine. It's about to be summertime.